games as well. And here is the introduction of the athletes.
The competitors of the 100-meter hurdles, women final. The competitors are lane 1, 266, Gurjeet Kaur of Punjab. Lane 2, 428, WVL Sugandhi, Sri Lanka. Lane 3, 187, Andrew Swami, Kerala. Lane 4, 327, K. Nandini, Tamil Nadu. Lane 5, 360, Akasara Nandini, Telangana. Lane 6, 326, Kanimaji C. Tamil Nadu. Lane 7, 363, Ritvika Singh, Uttar Pradesh. And lane 8, 265, Sumanjit Kaur, Punjab.
Well, here are the participants of the final of 100-meter hurdles for women, and they are Gurdeep Kaur from Punjab, then WBL Sugandhi from Sri Lanka, lane number 1 and 2. Lane number 3 is N. Rose Tommy of Kerala, Sugandhi is from Sri Lanka, and Gurdeep is from Punjab. Then Nandini K is from Tamil Nadu, is in lane number 4. In number 5 and 6 are the athletes from Telangana and Tamil Nadu, Nandini and Kanimoji K. C. Ritvika Singh of Uttar Pradesh in lane number 7. In lane number 8 is Sumandeep Kaur from Punjab. Well, this event has given a lot of trouble to the Indians, and what's a striking fact is that up to 1966, from the first edition of the Asian Games, in the first 5 editions it was known as 80-meter hurdles, in which all the gold medals went to Japan. 20 meters were added for the first time in 1970 in the Bangkok edition, and since then only one medal has gone to Japan. So it's a very, very striking fact that in 1982 Japan won the last gold medal after dominating it so heavily at the previous stage, and the elusive chase of India in this competition at the Asian Games is still running. Only a single medal has come to India so far in this event in the Asian Games, and that was by Manjeet Walia in 1966 at Bangkok, when the first 2 finishers were from Japan. Well, here we are. All the athletes are ready, and whenever name of Sri Lanka comes up, our mind goes back to legendary athletes like Sushantika Jaisinghe, who lit up the stadium on fire with her speed at the world stage. But here we are with Gurdeep Kaur, Sugandhi, and Rose Tommy, Nandini K, Agrasani Nandini, Kanimoji. Ritvika Singh is not there from lane number 7, and Sumandeep Kaur from Punjab is there. Clean start by all the athletes. You can see the Sri Lankan athletes have taken an early lead, and from the outside you can see the Kanimoji is also doing very well. Kanimoji is in the lead, and Sugandhi is doing very well there, but Kanimoji is doing very well there. Kanimoji is going to be a tough competition between these 2 athletes, and I feel that it's the edge with Kanimoji, and at the second position was the athlete from Telangana, Agasara Nandini, and we have to wait for the official confirmation, but my reading is that it's Kanimoji C of Tamil Nadu who won that contest. Here you can see that was a bright start from Sri Lankan athlete Sugandhi, and then suddenly you can see the burst in speed from Ritvika Kanimoji C, and following her closely is athlete from Telangana as well, from lane number 5, and then again it's you can see that the finish line stated that it's Kanimoji C of Tamil Nadu who won that contest. We are waiting for the official timings, as our officials are taking some time there, and as soon as I'll get the final timings I'll let you know about that. It was a close call for all the positions, especially for the first and the second. Some anxious moments for all these athletes. They are there. Sushantika Jaisinghe took athletic scene of Sri Lanka to a new level. here we have it. Here we have it, the official timings of all the athletes, and Kani Modisi of Tamil Nadu won that contest. Only 0.04 seconds behind her was Agasara of Telangana, and Sri Lankan athlete